Hello, guys. Namaste. A very good morning, and I hope you all are doing well. Today, I want to show you the area where I live. This place is obviously in India, and this area is surrounded by lush greenery. Everywhere you can see so much greenery and so many big trees. Most of them are, I think, over 100, or if not 100, then at least 80 to 90 years old. All the trees are huge and very tall. Yesterday, we had so much thundering and lightning, and obviously good rainfall. So, the weather today, although it's sunny, but not too hot. You can see a woman coming over there. There's a school, and to the right, you can see some quarters where people live. In each quarter, you will find a lot of mango trees, and I must tell you, all these trees are so huge, and the mangoes are ripened by now. Small children often come whenever there is a storm and mangoes fall down. You can see the road is quite empty. It's because today it's Sunday and people prefer to enjoy at home. The roads are really quiet and almost no one is on the road. To the right, you can see a big lake. This lake is very beautiful, and near this lake, there are some statues and some playing equipments where children often come and they play in the evening. It is in the morning time, so the park is looking so empty, but in the evening, it's crowded. I have seen many times people often come and perform pujas. So, this place near the lake is mostly crowded in the evening. It's a nice place to sit and relax and have fun with the family. Just now we have crossed the speed breaker, and I must tell you, on this road, there's so many speed breakers, and one is so huge that I often get scared if my bike would get damaged. I was talking about this one. Yeah, this, the one just we crossed. You can see the lake. It's very calm now. It's so relaxing to watch. So relaxing. This is a complete view of this lake and park area. Wait, what? There is a crowd. What they're saying? Oh my god, did you see it? There's a snake. Oh my god, that's so large. It's so long. Let's go and capture it closely. Oh my god, this is Thamin. We often see the snake near our house as well. She is very long, very long. Approx, I think it's more than 3 feet long. Oh, she's trying to climb that wall. She's scared. It's very common to see the snakes in this area because there is a huge jungle and so many greenery. So obviously they before we came here there used to be big jungle, and these are actually the habitat of these snakes. We are the one who actually came later and staying in their place. She's trying hard to climb that wall. Okay, let's move. Okay, so that's all for today. Let's explore some other place in a new video. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.